Hey guys, I saw the message that Rec Room is shutting down. I haven't even gotten to level 60 and 40! Man, why did Rec Room do it? Why is Rec Room shutting down? I guess we're gonna have to say one goodbye to Rec Room. I'm moving to Gorilla Tag officially. Bye bye, Rec Room, June 1st. I'll see you. I'll still be making Rec Room videos in the meantime and until June 1st Pacific time. Bye bye all.
Our mission! We're going to
Always stay creative.